but none of it seems to matter anymore. Like a comet with more hair, as it passes a sudden extreme that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better. And because I knew you, because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed. For